I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here today with the learning resources Domino Action. Now what sets this apart from other domino sets is of course like the cool additions here with the stairs. That's always fun to build. We had some of these stairs when I was a kid and it was always a challenge to build them while keeping the dominoes from falling. But it's especially fun here because of this little booklet. So there are a few challenges in here that make this an educational STEM set instead of just a domino set. And it starts from very easy with the first challenge, just a mini putt to get the ball into the goal. But then it gets a little more difficult quickly when you need to use the spinner to hit the other dominoes and hit the ball in the goal that way. And the third challenge is using the stairway where you build the dominoes upwards. Then there's also the slip and slide and the ball really will go fast down that one. And the cool thing is that every build has a bonus challenge as well. So they really push the child to go even further from the basic concept. And that's what really makes this a fun set to build with and to challenge your child. So it's appropriate for ages 5 and up. And most of the challenges they can build. Although my son was able to play just for 20 minutes at a time, because you really need to be able to keep your concentration here. And after that he would get frustrated too quickly. So I think it's the most fun from 6 and up. That way they can also have fun with some extra challenges like the high wire act, where you use this. Well, it's a little flimsy, but it works, this high wire, to reach the other blocks. So that's a pretty difficult build that's hard to master, but it's still a fun challenge from I think around 6 to 7 years old. So if you're looking for a domino set with just a little bit more educational value to it, then this is the set for you.